Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're illuminating your outdoor spaces with the LETMY Solar Pathway Lights, an 8-pack of bright, solar-powered lights designed to enhance your garden, yard, or driveway with a romantic and warm atmosphere. These lights feature upgraded filament LEDs and a robust solar panel with a rechargeable NiMH battery, providing up to 8 to 12 hours of clear illumination, automatically turning on at dusk and off at dawn to save energy and reduce electricity bills. Built to withstand all weather conditions, these IP65 waterproof lights are crafted from corrosion-resistant ABS plastic, ensuring durability through rain, snow, frost, or sleet, while the elegant design adds a touch of style to any outdoor setting. Installation is a breeze with no additional tools required. Just push them into the ground and let them light up your pathways, patios, or walkways with a soft, warm glow, perfect for evening strolls with family and friends. We stand by the quality of our product with a 60-day replacement service, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind as you enjoy the beauty and reliability of these solar lights. Let the LETMY Solar Pathway lights brighten your nights with confidence and style, transforming your outdoor spaces into beautifully lit havens. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more illuminating content. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.